what you want. Tell me what you need. I want you lying in my bed. Wish you could stay with me for a week. Tell me what you want, cause baby I feel high when you tell me what you need. You ain't from this world, but you lying in my bed. I think I'ma stay with me for a week. I'm a fiend, so is it real? Are we just fucking or do you want some?
Hey loves, what's up? So today we're gonna unbox 3 staple designer items. By staple, I mean that these items go with everything. They are versatile pieces that you can style up, style it down, and can elevate any plain outfit and complement the more complex outfits. The first piece is from Dior. So this is actually an accessory of an accessory. It's a strap. It's a Dior strap here. We got this strap because we have the Dior saddle bag. We have the all black matte one. This strap goes super well with it. Its black and white color is exactly why we got it, aside from it matching our Dior bag. It's also very hard to clash this with any outfit, whether colorful or monochromatic. Black and white just goes with everything. It's a safe color, it's a classic color. Not part of this unboxing video, but this bag, along with all the pieces in this video, goes with a lot of things, and this strap just takes it to a whole nother level. I usually wear this over my shoulders, over my arm, or just in my hand. And this strap just adds another way for me to carry and work this bag. The second piece I have on my list is the Louis Vuitton multi-pochette. This bag just it's like the bag of 2019. Everyone wanted it, it was sold out everywhere, and the retail price wasn't bad, especially you're getting 1, 2, 3 bags, and it was less than 100k. Along with that, you can wear it 3 ways. First is over your shoulders, second is across your body, and then third is as a shoulder bag with this gold chain. I think this bag is super versatile. As you can see, I'm just wearing black cyclings and a black tank, and it's already an outfit. It super elevated this basic look. With a neutral color palette like this, it would be super hard to clash this with a lot of outfits. What I also like about it is it can be both rugged when it's set up like this. You can wear this with jeans, with when you're going out for errands, and it can also be dressy. You can take out the long strap and leave out the gold chain, and it's a tiny evening bag. I also super like this little bag here. It's very useful for keys, coins, credit cards, for easy access. Also lipstick, if you have a small lipstick maybe. I know this bag isn't trendy anymore right now, but I think it has the capacity to go beyond that trend. Though not your usual basic shoulder bag or crossbody bag, I think this piece deserves a spot in the classic and very useful and timeless bags you need to have in your closet. So for our last piece of staple designer pieces, of course, do you have any guesses? It's the classic Chanel double flap in jumbo. So what's a staple designer list without this piece? This iconic piece from Chanel, right? Full disclosure, I am not an expert at all with Chanel. All I know is that this bag's price increases every year. And I do know that this bag can totally make any outfit, can totally upgrade even a simple white t-shirt, and totally worth the investment. So this bag is in the caviar. Like I said, I'm not an expert, so please spare me of the technicals. So it comes in the caviar material leather, and it has silver hardware. If we're gonna talk about bags that go with anything and won't clash with anything, of course black is the way to go. Look, it actually goes with my necklace. Lol. I really like this size too. It's perfect for errands, meetings, brunch. It's roomy enough to fit your essentials, maybe your notebook, maybe an iPad. A laptop definitely won't fit here, but also not super big and bulky, especially for my small frame. I'm only 5'1" or 2, I don't know. I don't know what else to say except that this is a really beautiful piece and I'm really in love with it. This is one of those bags that you're gonna give to your great granddaughter or something. That is it for this video. Please let me know what your designer staple pieces are. Put them down in the comments. I'd like to know. And do like this video. Do let me know that you're into this kind of content. Please also subscribe and ring that bell so that you'll be notified if ever I upload a new video. Also, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. That's about it. I'll see you guys next time.